Here are some offers to promote with adult traffic. By the end of this video, I should be able to educate you, hopefully, let's see if we can, about all the best offers, okay, that you can basically promote to adult traffic. And here's the thing, like, you could promote straight up just the most congruent stuff ever, just adult offers, or you can go ahead and you could promote mainstream offers, okay? I'm talking offers, and I'll give you a whole list here. You could promote offers in the muscle niche, or you could promote Nutra offers. You could promote skincare, you could promote biz op, sweepstakes. They're low ticket, but they in volume can add up like crazy. But I do sweepstakes with free traffic, not adult. But I have tested it with adult, and it is profitable. But I just get so much traffic for sweepstakes, it's crazy. Also, make money online offers. They work really, really well with adult traffic. Dating offers obviously work really well. Crypto kind of works in the back end especially, but it can't be approved on the front end most times. Pickup artists, products, that works really well. E-com, just e-com in general, e-commerce, just physical products, that works really, really well. Webcam offers, gaming offers, just top offers across any network. They're proven to convert, and so they're worth testing and scaling. And then doing high ticket, like different services and high ticket, like coaching stuff. Depends though, what niche it is. And then obviously just having a back end with just a ton of offers, guys. The more offers you have, if you collect emails on the front end of anything you do, you have the opportunity to sell them again and again and again, more different offers. So understand this, with adult marketing, you can promote mainstream offers and anything. It all works. It's all the same people. So you can crush it. I'll see you machines later. Peace.